Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a blush declutter and it is much needed. I don't even know if I want to show you how much blush I have here. Like, it's embarrassing, but we're going to do a declutter of all my blushes. I'll have a bronzer one, a highlight one, and then eventually eyeshadow, and we'll be done. I'll have a collection that's a little bit more curated for my everyday use. We have all of this. It's not all, and all of these. So we're gonna be here for a while. We are gonna be here for a while. This is gonna be hard to do, but all of these things will be rehoused with my friends, my family, and if it's just super old, I'll just get rid of it. So this is my third video I'm filming today. Thank goodness for the coffee. So let's see. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. Let's start here. Here are the two Mulan blushes from ColourPop. They look like this. Do I need both? This is a Matchmaker. This is in Good Luck Charm. No, I don't need both. Okay. I'm going to keep Matchmaker. It is a little bit lighter. It'll be nice and toasty on my skin. I'm going to give Matchmaker to my sister because she's a little bit more deeper complected than I am. One down, I'm already upset. The next thing is this Floral Blush Duo Cheek from BH Cosmetics. I actually really like this. It is super light pink, as you can see, but it is so nice in the springtime, so I'm definitely keeping this. I actually like this a lot. And it's, I think, my only blush from BH Cosmetics, which I have to get more because I think they're really good. And something I would never get rid of is this Flower Power Blush from ColourPop. It is also like a nice bubblegum pink, slightly mauve-y in there, like cool toned, but I'll be keeping this as well. So then I have these two Milani blushes. I love this blush. It smells really bad. I don't know why it smells like that, but it has always smelled like that. It just smells like the plastic, but it is the Tea Rose powder blush. I think it's in the shade Tea Rose number 8. I'll be keeping this. I love that. And I think I'm going to keep this Milani blush as well. This is in their Color Harmony Berry Raise. It's just a little bit deeper. You mix them all together and you get a beautiful color. So I'll be keeping both of those. And while we're on Milani, I would never in a million years get rid of this. This is the Luminoso blush. I just picked this up in one of my very recent videos. I'll link down below my full face of Milani. If you don't have this, you need this. This is amazing. I'm wearing it today and you can just see like a nice luminosity, plumpness in my cheeks. It is this guy, so he will be staying in the collection as well. I'm going to get rid of this Essence the blush. I don't know who this is blushing. It comes off white. Like, this looks like a setting powder. I'm just gonna get rid of this. Like, who wears that? Well, actually, I'm being a little judgmental. If you're light enough to pull this off as a blush, very good. I'm also gonna get rid of this Lottie London blush. It was from my nephew picks my makeup, and oh, that's so pretty though. Okay, I'm gonna keep it because my nephew bought it and I love him. All right, well, here's something good. I'm gonna get rid of this e.l.f. blush. This is an old blush. This is their old packaging, the white, old, classic e.l.f. packaging. And this was $1 and it has been used and abused. You can see it's like all dirty. If my sister doesn't want it, that can probably be just thrown away. Okay, we've gotten rid of 3. There's so many more. Then we have this. I'm keeping this 100%. This is, oh, it's about to break. This is my Project Pan. This is my Tarte Amazonian Clay blush in the shade Party. It was a birthday reward from Sephora a few years ago, and as you can see, I really like it. Keeping this. My goal is to get as much as I can in this little container here. I don't even remember this AOA Studios blush. This was from my $1 makeup from AOA. Alright, that did nothing, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. My friend Annalise gave me this. I love her. I have not even used this yet. This will be perfect for the winter time. It is the Too Faced Love Flush, Your Love is King. It's a nice purple based blush that'll be beautiful in the winter time, so I'm gonna keep that. Plus I love her and love her gift. I'm also gonna keep this colorful Sephora blush. This is a beautiful peach. I think this is in the shade Love at First Sight. I love this blush. It is so hardly pressed in there that I feel like I've not made any dent. That's like the Sephora squiggle that you see the dent there. It's not really a dent, it's an embossing, but I've used this a ton, especially on the channel. You guys have seen me use this and I love this. It's beautiful for the springtime, so I thought it'll be staying because I love that so much. I can't decide if it's time to get rid of this. This is the ombre blush from NYX in Strictly Chic. Looks like that. Clearly you can tell I've used it. All right, this is a maybe. I'm so not good at this. I'm keeping this Laura Geller blush in the shade Blush and I don't know. Oh, Tropic Hues. It is beautiful and marbled in there, and you get a nice flush to the skin when you wear this. So I'll be keeping this. I love this. I actually wear it quite often, but because it's so warm, it's better for purpley, it's better for the winter time. That also goes with the Ciate London marbled blush. It is very berry tone, better for the winter, but I also love this, and we'll be keeping this. I've only gotten rid of 3 so far, guys. Then we'll get rid of this also $1 blush from e.l.f. in the shade Brick Red. Not gonna look good on my skin. My sister with a deeper skin tone might be able to use this. I would never in a million years get rid of this. This is the California Benefit Box Blush. It's so hard to show you this, but this is such a beautiful peach color. I mean, you could see that reflect right there. Love this. These are so expensive. I actually got this in a 21 Days of Beauty sale not too long ago, but not this past one, and it was half off, and that's the only time I would buy these is when they're half off because they're expensive, but that shade is so beautiful. And the highlighter Dandelion, or no, the highlighter Cookie. Love that. Okay, this is super old. This is like an Ulta Beauty no name duo in Fresh Glow and Nude Pink. This is like a little highlighting and blush duo. I made a dent on the highlighter. I loved it, but I'm just gonna get rid of this. I don't need it. It's very nice though. I don't know even how I got that. I'm also gonna get rid of this e.l.f. bronzed peach, like putty bronzer, like, you know what I mean? Like, it's kind of cream in there. It's like weird. You can see my finger indent there, but it's just too dark. I mean, that's too dark for me. So this will be definitely better for my sister. I also love this. This is the Cover FX monochromatic blush in Pink Dahlia. This is stunning. I also got this during a 21 Days of Beauty sale. But look at that. Like, I would never get rid of this. Mixing those two together gives you a beautiful look. So I would never get rid of this. I actually really like this. I'm also going to keep this Anastasia blush trio I got from TJ Maxx. I just don't have anything like this. Like, this is so orange and this is so warm orange. Like, those together are perfect for the summertime. So just because I don't have anything like this, I will be keeping this as well. I want to keep this because I don't have anything like this. This is such a, I'm going to keep it. Like, I can't help it. Like, that is such a unique color. Do I think I'm going to wear it every day? No, never. It is too pink. I mean, look at that. But if I ever want to do like an all pink look, this is like a perfect time to pull it out. I know I'm like weirdly justifying it. It was like a $5 blush from Dollar General from Believe Beauty, but I just need it, okay? Like, I'm going to keep this. I think that is worth a keep. I don't typically like Morphe. Do I need this? Do I need this? No, I don't. I'm gonna pass this along to my sister. It's a little bit deeper, these shades here, and I just am not a fan of Morphe, so I will be passing this along. That's a big one to get rid of. Like, it wasn't super expensive, but like, that was a substantial piece of my collection, you know, so I'll pass that along. But I'm gonna keep this. This is, I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. It's by the brand Note. It's in the shade Desert Rose, and it is just a nice, unique terracotta, but also rosy, and I don't wear it enough. It's like not in my everyday blush drawer, so I'm gonna keep this just because I have not given that the attention it deserves. All right, I'm also gonna keep this Alamar blush trio. So I said I didn't have orange, and that's true because this orange is so different from the Anastasia orange. Any makeup consumer would know. Wait, maybe they're not. Are these the same colors? I'm gonna keep them both. I've decided to keep my NYX blush in that meantime. So this will be staying, this one. It is this Steve Laurent blush. I think I got in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. I'm just gonna pass this along. I just don't need it. We're done the little guys. Moving on to palettes. I got this for my grandma over Christmas. I don't know what Male Beauty is, but I mean, that is beautiful. And I just haven't used it yet. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a Lovecraft Beauty blush trio. Maybe my mom could get use out of this. I think she'd like it. She'd like the packaging. These are the colors in it. I don't even know where I got this from. Maybe my grandma as well, but if I'm going to keep this one for my grandma, I'm just going to get rid of this one. I'm without a doubt keeping my Lunar Beauty Moon Prism blush palette because this is stunning, but it is similar to this. I'm going to get rid of the Profusion one and I'll explain to you why. So there are similarities like this blush and this one, but this pink one that is really calling my name that makes me want to keep this. I saved this Believe Beauty one that looks very simple. So, and I'm not wearing these shades off. So I'm gonna get rid of this. It takes up a lot of room anyway. And I think that's it, everyone. This is all I'm keeping and I'm so proud of myself. I'm keeping this. I mean, it's still too much. I'm keeping these right here. It's a little alarming. I'm still keeping 21 blushes, but I got rid of 10. I mean, I got rid of 10 blushes. So, you know, I don't really know how much more I was expecting to get rid of, but 10 is a good place to start. Thank you guys for checking out this video. If you like declutters, I have so many more coming and I have fun. Like, it feels good to declutter. So if you haven't decluttered lately, this is me telling you to go do that. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and giving me the support I need to actually get rid of the makeup that I hoard in my home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys back here on the channel for future videos. And that is it. That is it for this video. I hope you guys have a good day, a nice spring, a nice season, and I hope to see you back here on the channel some other time. Bye.